workout. Those are just workout rides for me. Good bike. Threads through the desert with ease. Always got the power where you want it, no matter what gear you're in. A lot of that back there was in third and fourth gear. Didn't even spin the tire. Yeah. My kind of motorcycle. Woo! Looks like it's getting around 4 in the afternoon. Sun's cranking. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I see we got 2 new truck camper guys here. Must have pulled in last night. I got my generator set up there. This little doghouse. Solar panel out here sucking up the UV rays. Nice day today. Not super clear, but look, you can see the mountains way off out there. That must be a good 30 miles away, 35. Got a good workout. It's my gym, my rolling gym. I not only ride for the fun of it, I ride for the workout too. Boy, now it'd be nice. It'd be nice if I had a nice cold beer now. I could go for that. Whoa! What's that? An ice cold beer. Yeah, you gotta love the off-road gods. They'll take care of you. Ah, yeah. Nothing like a good cold beer. Gotta love these motorcycles. They're so much fun. I'm getting to be, let's see, pretty soon, man, another like, I think 20 days. No, 28, let's see, 38. But in another 38 days, I'll be 83. Can you believe that? And if I don't die between now, at this moment, and then, I'll be doing good to still be riding a motorcycle at 83 years old. And I'm not talking just putsy riding, but stuff with a little, you know, with some fun in it, other than just going down a single track trail. Those are great too. Now, I've seen some great single tracks from Racer Red, Idaho, along the ridge tops. That's what I want to do next. I want to go up there and ride some of those trails, because I've been hanging out here in the desert for quite some time now. I love the desert, but them Idaho trails, the colors of them and everything, the view you get, it's just fantastic. Raise my beer to Racer Red, put down some good videos. Yep. Gotta love them motorcycles. Okay, my friends. Aloha.